Today we are headed up to camp to pick up a canoe that was lent to us a few weeks ago. And it's going to be Nico's first canoe ride. And Joanna is, she's walking around trying to hold it together and pretend like she's got everything under control, but I think she's nervous. Frankly, I am too, but our buddy Jim is coming with us today, and we were talking last weekend about pictures that he has of himself being in a canoe when he was Nico's age, so that made me feel a little bit better. So whatever, he's got a life jacket and the water's cold. We got a big hefty canoe, and we're gonna see how this thing goes. A little bit of a headwind today, but this is gonna determine whether or not we can kind of feasibly do things like this in the near future, although fall is coming. It's October 3rd today. I mean, come on. We're having this abnormally warm weather right now. It's like summer. I've seen it cooler in July and August. It's hot. It's probably, 75 degrees today. I don't know, maybe 70. Anyway, Nico's first canoe trip. We got lots of things prepared for him, should anything go wrong on this bright, beautiful, sunny day.
Isn't he cute?
So cute. Are you nervous? Or do you have it together?
I have it all together.
Everything's
under control. I'm not nervous at all. Why? Are you?
No, not at all.
Don't be nervous.
Nico's first canoe trip. A momentous occasion. Thanks for coming, Jim.
Oh man,
appreciate
thank you for having me and including me in this.
Yeah.
I'm glad you came. We have to go that way. What?
I'm gonna get my boots on.
Sleeping. You want me to put them on for you?
Yeah. Thank you, Reagan.
This is actually kind of funny, Joanna. Ready?
Yes.
You ready for Nico's first canoe ride?
Yes.
Is he ready?
Actually, he's waking up. Maybe we should put his life jacket on.
Yeah, I think by the time we get around and meet you over there, he'll be awake. Hi, there's the shot I've been waiting for all day. Is it getting too deep up there, Jim?
Yeah, I'm about to have to jump in.
All right, you did so well.
This is so relaxing. I love this. I'm dead.